Please make way for the patient. Thank you.
Horizontal CT scanner.
Please lie down on the bed.
Doctor, help me.
How to build this CT scanner. Step 1. Build the computer system.
We will start the CT scan now.
Done. Please transfer the patient to the emergency surgery room. Next.
You're under arrested for theft.
I'm innocent. What did I do?
Start the CT scan right now.
Let me out. No, I don't know that.
Doctor, help me. My teeth are so painful.
Okay, please stand in the CT scanning area.
Panoramic dental X-ray.
You have a cavity.
Oh no!
Now please come and sit on the chair.
How to build the panoramic dental X-ray. Step 1. Build the X-ray tube. Step 2. Build the machine frame. Install the chin wrist. Install the detector. Connect the X-ray tube to the frame. Install rotating arm. Connect to the battery. Testing.
I'm scared.
I will pull out your tooth and you'll be okay. Don't be scared. It'll be quick.
I won't pull teeth anymore. Yeah, my toothache is gone. Please lie down on the ultrasound bed. Let me show you your baby. The baby is doing well. Thank you, Doctor.
Help me. My stomach hurts a lot.
Lie on the bed, please. We need to perform an ultrasound to check your stomach.
Oh no!
What the hell is that? You idiot! The ultrasound results are incorrect.
Hello? There's a car accident here. Please help. We're coming.
Let's cross the road quickly.
Oh no, I need to call an ambulance.
How to build the ambulance train? Step 1. Build the clinic train carriage. Install the motor. Check operation. Install medical equipments. Intravenous drip. Hospital bed. Wheelchair. Attach to the locomotive. Step 2. Build the X-ray train carriage. Install X-ray equipments. X-ray monitor. Attach 2 parts. Testing. Step 3. Connect 2 train carriages.
Ambulance 24/7 is here. She's here, doctor. Let's remove the stains first.
Next, check her condition. Everything is fine. Luckily, you're good now.
Thank you, doctor.
It's so hot. I'm dying of thirst.
Oh my god!
Ambulance 247 is here. The patient needs IV fluids. Next, get an X-ray for fractures.
You're already okay now.
Thanks, doctor. X-ray check. No signs of fracture detected. Your condition is better now.
Wow! Thank you, doctor.
Help me. Ambulance 24/7 is here.